Reach out and grab your shoes. Okay, we're not coming, okay? Jesus. Hi, everybody. My name is Mable Velcro-Dewey. My whole family, I'm actually heir to the Velcro fortune. You might have heard of it. It goes something like this. You heard of it? It's okay. Some of you tie your shoes. That's fine. I'm 88 years old. And I'm keeping it tight for 88. Stand up, everyone. I'm very rich. I have a lot of money. I enjoy boxed wine. And obviously cats. I have a mansion that I love very dearly. I love Scooby-Doo. So I designed my whole house after a haunted house of Scooby-Doo. But it backfired. This past winter, I pulled a book, and I got locked in my bookshelf. I'm glad you're laughing about it. I had to eat one of my cats. Okay, I've always wanted to be a lesbian. That's fine. That's fine with me. Happy about it. I'm wearing a babushka. I don't know if you know what that is. If you don't, you're an idiot. But I'm wearing a babushka because I've got a serious neck beard situation going on these days. And it also keeps it pretty tight. It's my neck bra. Thank you, appreciate it. I've been married 4 times that I know of. My last husband, he passed away. Tragically, his name was Mort Peacock. He was a cigar salesman. He was a big asshole. He died, it was an accident. The police deemed it an accident. He fell down a flight of stairs and landed on 37 bullets. I don't know where the hell. What's this place called?
A Lincoln Loft.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
A Lincoln Loft.
A Lincoln Loft? Or a Lincoln Log?
Lincoln Loft.
Lincoln Log?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm saying it. A Lincoln Log?
Loft.
Log? Log? Thank you. I like having several people yell at me at the same time. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. But what happens here? You guys like a bunch of orgies? It seems like people must be fucking all the time up in here. That's not the case? That's not? Well, folks, I want to open the floor for questions about my life. If you have a question about me, or who I am, or what you see, does anyone have a question for me? Yes, you, the comic. Yes, you.
So, are you next in line to inherit a fortune?
Oh, I already did, honey.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a good thing you're pretty. All right, anyone else have any questions? Anyone else? Yes, you're so polite.
What's your favorite newspaper to read in the afternoon, Miss?
I'm sorry, inbred, can you speak up?
What is your favorite newspaper to read in the afternoon?
My favorite
Sunday.
newspaper to read in the afternoon? I like to read the comics and then the obituaries because I want to see what my friends are up to. Yes, you over there. ever traveled to? Gary, Indiana.
Why?
I'm sorry, you need an explanation for that? It's because the gas stations are impeccable. They're so good. Yes, you over here.
Favorite sexual position?
Favorite, I'm sorry, what?
Sex position?
Sex position? Are you inquiring?
Yes.
Okay, well, I have to fill out a survey first. But I would say my favorite sexual position is missionary. That was my late husband with a bag on my head. Anyone else? Anybody else?
Do you talk to your cats?
I'm sorry. Do I talk to my cats? It seemed like you threw up while you were talking. Do I talk to my cats? Well, no, I don't, because that would be stupid. I talk to my cats. They're cats. Do you talk to your animals?
I don't have any.
You don't have any? Why are you talking to me right now? All right, anyone else? One last question. Yes, right over here.
What's in your purse?
What's in my purse? I'm so happy you asked me. Let's see what's in my purse.
You never know.
Okay. Thanks for letting me borrow that. It's really nice.